haven't been in this traffic for years, and I'm so happy about that. You have to be so awake here. People be coming over from the left and the right. So I just got a message to say, so we're tuning the Mark II now. It is 20 to 6. I basically just said, okay, cool, I'm leaving work now, but it's only 5:15, and I dread sitting in traffic, but it's worth it. Like, I can't even wait to see the car on the dyno. So yeah, I will catch in with you guys at the workshop. So Jamil was kind enough to wait for me so that I can experience the whole process. I was a bit saddened that I might have missed it, but I'm getting to see all of it. So it's going to be a good night. Okay, so there's some updates, upgrades. I see we've got a hood exit going on there. 2 hood exits. And the accelerator cable happened very quickly. That happened today. So yeah, I didn't think it would turn around that quickly. So we have an idea of what power it will make, and now we get to see what it actually makes. Smoking quite a bit, which I'm assuming is still oil in the system. But that's quite a bit of smoke. At the moment we don't know what the cause of the smoke is. There was a restrictor put into the oil feed, so it shouldn't be smoking. So yeah, a little unsure about that at the moment. So we're going to start to add boost now. It was previously at 0.4 bar. That was on gate. So Andrew said he's going to play around with open and closed loop fueling. Sounds so good. So the smoking could be valve stem seals, so the engine was standing for a really long time, so it could have just gotten like just hard or just aged. Just calibrating the car to the dyno. So it made 179.5 kilowatts and 273 newtons. So I just didn't record this last pull, but it made 183 and 277. But you can see the graph is looking really good. So Andrew just needs to dial it in. This is at 1 bar. So they're just dialing in fueling, and apparently it's spiking 1.3 bar and dropping down to 0.7. Could be a leak or something else. So that's 186 and 287 newtons. Even at 190 kilowatts, this thing must be and feel so good. Nearly 200 kilowatts. What on earth? So the timing is out.
It was not our fault. Eh? We bought this engine like this. Don't blame us.
Timing is back in action. So that should be over 200 kilowatts. So this is actual kilowatts and not horsepower. 207, 321. That is going to be fun. So yeah, just one tooth. All good.
Dude, that's insane!
That car's fast.
What?
Dude! Come here, we need to meet dude. 3 hours, I just flew.
Nah, my bro, this thing is like f***ing scary. All I see this thing in the car, there's got no ABS, no airbags, no nothing, it's not flying like this.
I was dying.
Did you say
Yeah.
Nah, I kept off here.
Is
And
it?
then I put it in the next gear and I put it in.
What?
It's like I'm scared. scary, yo.
Guys, I'm going to be driving the car for the first time, and I just saw what it does, so it should be interesting to feel it for myself. I'm a little nervous now. Close the windows. It's gonna take some getting used to. So I won't put it in first, I'll just do a second gear pull. Holy crap, this thing is fast. I just pulled the gear knob off. Yeah, this is very scary actually. Holy moly. I wanted more power, but I don't think I should be getting more power. It is a handful when it comes into boost. Oh, flip my heart. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna be driving it like that and not let it come fully into boost because it's too scary.
It's like giving a child sweets and taking it away.
Oh. This is epic. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. What a car.
Not excited.
This thing's still recording.
Should be. I am genuinely out of breath.
My hand is shaking.
Dude, I'm shaking. It's insane. It just feels, it's so raw.
Sunday supper night.
So guys, this is just a before and after. So as the 16 valve, it made 118.4, and we are now making 207.2 kilowatts. So it's like almost 100 kilowatts more, which is wild. This is at the only point where the 16 valve was a contender. It's just crazy. Guys, what a night. First of all, I was just not expecting today to be the day, and I was not expecting the car to pull like that. We actually wanted to make more power with it. The goal was 330 newtons, and to hold that like to red line and make around 230 to 240 kilowatts. It's slightly under, but like after driving, I'm just right now I just feel like I don't need more power. Will probably change after getting used to it and racing the car. Probably feel like I want a bit more, but for right now it is absolutely perfect. Like I'm so glad I went 1.8T. Like, it was always underwhelming. Like, I've driven a Mark II with a 1.8T in it before, and I think it was on a stock KO3. So, like, it went, but it wasn't exciting. There was no drama. Like, I love the drama about this car, that it's like you feel like you've driven something fun, and that's what the car is right now. It really is fun. So there's still quite a few things left to do, so the car will be staying at the workshop for a bit, not too long. I'll probably be able to fetch it soon, but we are mostly there. Like, this is like the highlight. So now it's just wrapping it up, getting wheel alignment, buttoning things up for the most part. But yeah, it's hella fun. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.